Many of us, the riding season is a frustratingly short window of perfect weather. When autumn arrives, the cold mornings and unpredictable rain often force us to put the bike away and get back into the cage, back into traffic. But what if your scooter was engineered to fight back against the weather? What if you could extend your riding season by months? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just reviewing a scooter. We're reviewing the 2026 Yamaha XMAX 300 TechMax Plus, a machine that aims to make itself the ultimate year-round commuting solution. So how does Yamaha achieve this? With a powerful arsenal of comfort features that are exclusive to the TechMax Plus line. First, the game changers. Factory-integrated heated grips and a heated seat. This isn't an afterthought or an expensive add-on, it's standard. Imagine starting your chilly morning commute with warmth radiating through your hands and seat. Next, you have the electronically adjustable windscreen. With a 95mm range of stepless adjustment at the push of a button, you can instantly dial in your perfect bubble of wind protection, raising it for high-speed highway runs and lowering it for a breeze in the city. This isn't just about comfort, it's about reducing fatigue and staying focused. A comfortable commute is also a smart commute. In the cockpit, Yamaha has created a true command center. You get a beautiful dual-screen display, a 4.2-inch full-color TFT screen for infotainment, paired with a 2.8-inch LCD for core machine data. But here's the killer app. Through your smartphone and the MyRide app, that TFT screen becomes a full-featured GARMIN navigation system, complete with real-time traffic updates. No more fumbling with your phone. Calls, messages, music, and turn-by-turn directions are all seamlessly integrated. This is the kind of tech that makes daily riding effortless. But let's be clear, this is still a Yamaha Max scooter. Underneath all of that comfort and tech is the heart of a true sports scooter. The dynamic bodywork and radical X-shaped LED headlight are pure Max DNA. The 292cc Blue Core engine is engineered for smooth, strong acceleration with incredible fuel efficiency. And to keep you safe in those less-than-perfect weather conditions we talked about, it comes fully equipped with a refined traction control system, TCS, dual-channel ABS, and even an emergency stop signal that flashes your hazards under hard braking. When you add in the premium details like aluminum footplates, the smart key keyless system, and enough underseat storage for 2 helmets, the picture becomes clear. The 2026 Yamaha XMAX 300 TechMax Plus isn't just a scooter you buy for fun weekend rides. This is a highly specialized tool designed to make your daily life better. It's an investment in comfort, safety, and efficiency that could legitimately replace a second car for many households. But what do you guys think? Are heated grips and built-in navigation enough to make you a 4-season rider? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride safe no matter the season.